My graduation is next week, Tuesday, and this preparation did not just start. I've been on this since May.
Pity scoop. Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop.
So the first thing I got was the dress, like a basic white dress that I needed to wear underneath my gown, which I got today, which I was supposed to get yesterday, but I had to get my nails done, and I was stuck at nail salon since 10:30 and I didn't get through till 6, so then my friends had to collect my gown for me at school. So I missed going to school for gown collection, which I was gonna vlog, but I mean, it happens. I was just sitting in the salon from 10:30 to 6. I couldn't leave or I would lose my place, but I got them done. So I got this white Fashion Nova dress. It's just a basic plain white bodycon dress with a kind of lifted, it's not really a turtleneck, but it has a high collar so that it would show above the gown and not look, you know, crazy. That's my white dress for graduation. And for what was supposed to be college cocktail, but then it got cancelled, so like I guess just an after party dinner or something. I guess I'm supposed to go to dinner with my friends. I got this gold dress also from Fashion Nova. The zipper is gold and it just has this goldish black shine to it, and I like it because it has a shape to it, like it keeps the poofy out, you know. Well, ask me to walk in these, I might fall on you. I got these, they're actually 6-inch, I think. I can only walk in 4-inch, and they're like the size of my pinky, possibly smaller. So I think I'll be able to wear these to dinner, but my mother's sugar is gonna get them cut down. I mean, sure, it'll be a little unbalanced, like, you know, you're not even know that it was cut. They're from Misguided. These were, I think, really cheap. They were like €6. So I was just like, you know what, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, and plus it wasn't expensive. So
Pity scoop. Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop.
Today I'm gonna be getting the DIY on my cap. This year they said you could design caps. I guess you always could have, but nobody really wanted to design a cap, I guess. But this year we asked and they said, sure, do what you want or whatever. This is my cap. Let me open it. I've been waiting all day to get home just to film this. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I get to decorate my cap today. I'm not gonna do anything like any big design. I just bought some gems from my local like beauty store. They had these, so I just bought these. It's kind of a little for the price I paid. Look at this on the size of the cap, but I didn't want to do anything extra anyway. And these right here are holographic. Trying to figure out if I want these to the front and back or to the side. I arranged them on this side and I did the same on this side. Oop and oop. But I don't, it looks like so little, so I feel like if I might buy more to either fill more hair or buy another pack and just do all the corners, you know. I can't believe I just paid $10 just for those gems, but I'm gonna stick them on. I'm gonna remove the plastic bags and stick them on right now, and then tomorrow I will get more possibly and put them, you know, hair or probably on there. But this is my cap decoration. I like it. Okay, next DIY.
Pity scoop. Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop.
This is the gown. I'm not gonna take it out now, but one thing I am gonna add to my gown. Shh, don't tell nobody, it's too late, it didn't happen. This video is gonna be uploaded after my graduation, but I'm gonna cut my gown to be like, I'm in my pajamas, a little bit below my knee, like right here, because I don't need my gown touching my ankle. Yeah. As for shoes for the actual graduation day, because you know I bought the black shoes from Misguided and I'm not walking in those, and my graduation is on a field. Like obviously they have tents for us to sit on there and stuff, but it's on a field, so there's grass. A ploop, a ploop, a ploop. I'm not sinking in no grass, I'm sorry. And I'm not gonna struggle with that, and to be running around in the grass after taking pictures with people like indoors, nah, no thank you. Okay, graduation is tomorrow. I'm graduating. Okay. So what I'm going to do is hold it and then bend and then take a pin and put it where I want. Or is that too short? I'm hot. Okay, so the zip ends here. Lucky me. This is the fold that I was talking about, which ends like right on my knee. So I'm gonna go a little bit below the fold, and I'll be safe. Okay, I really just did that. I'm gonna try it on now. And then I'll iron a hem, I guess. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Whoa. Okay, this better not be too crazy. Oh my goodness, wait. I left space for hemming. Yo, this better not be. Oh, it feels. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Perfect. This is perfect. And then I still have to hem it. So now I'm gonna iron it. Now I'm gonna iron it and then I'm gonna hem it. So I really did this. Like, who did this hem? It's straight. It's me. It's me. I acted like I made the whole gown when all I did was hem it. Where's my hem? We chillin'.
Biddy scoop. Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop.
Let me talk about my hair, okay? I bought a wig. This is gonna be my first wig. And I did everything on my own with the help of YouTube, so I'm kind of scared. But I think I got it down. I already tried on the wig twice. Like, I did this on 2 different occasions. One where I didn't plait back my hair, and one where I did like plait it back and do everything to the T, honey. I did it to the T. I had to bleach the knots of the wig, which I kind of messed up on. Some of them went unbleached. I'm sorry, but at least it doesn't look how it looked when I first got it. So I had to bleach the knots of the wig. Oh, I purchased like Got To Be spray, Got To Be glue. I did not pluck the wig, it came pre-plucked. I actually bought it on Amazon and it's really good quality. It's water wave. I think it's for real. It's the name of the store, but I realized that all of these wigs come from like one Asian factory, but they just remarketed under different brands. But it's honestly just, if you look on Amazon for this wig, you might find it from a different brand, but it's the same exact wig and the same quality because they're all purchased from the same supplier. I read so many reviews and looked at so many YouTube videos before I purchased this wig because I didn't want any shedding. I'm about to spend $100 on this wig. It better be good quality, and the wig is amazing quality for me. The only shedding I had was when I washed it. I gave it a co-wash after I bleached the knots. I have to wash it again because there's a lot that got to be on the hairline, so I have to wash it again. But I'm super proud of like the whole wig thing and that I was able to do that. Like,
Biddy scoop. Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop.
Okay, for my nails, the shape I got Alma. This is actually the first full set that she did with this sparkly like acrylic. It has like purple and green iridescent flakes inside, like all throughout, and I really like it. I still have no idea what shoe I'm going to wear. This one is not black, so it's illegal. This one is like perfect, but I just don't like it that much. And this one, I think I need a little more height because I cut my gown too short. And yeah, I cut my gown too short. I was so stressed about it last night. I'm not gonna stress about it today. Okay, they changed their minds about us decorating our caps because they said that they don't know what we're gonna put on it, but they already gave us permission and then they took it away. So like, so I'm gonna borrow a cap today. I tried, oh my goodness, these look so bad, but I tried painting my toes white. I don't even want to focus on them. They look horrendous. Okay, I'm done. I just have to glue down this piece of lace that's lifting and then take down my hair. And as you can see, I didn't get that on my dress. Yay. Okay, so I decided to go with these shoes. I mean, I don't really like the style of them. I remember being in this exact same parking space 2 years ago. On my way to my graduation now. That's it. Yeah, bye. On my way to my graduation now. Oh my gosh! Ah! Okay. But this is basically the finished transformation. I'm just gonna include a little vlog clip from after the graduation of anything. Yeah. Okay.
With his presence, also to our own minister, Jimmy Prince. Thank you for your attention. We did it.
It really just hit me. I'm done, like, and I was reading this and I'm like, 2-year course. The 2-year course is done. I'm on 1%, but I just gotta say those 2 years were different for me. Like, I grew. Graduation just hit different. Like, when I graduated from high school, it was different. It was just like, okay, bye JHS. But college, oh, it hit different.
Beat the scoop. Scoop dee whoop. Whoop the scoop the poop. Poop the scoop the whoop.
Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my god. I'm graduating.